This is Phil Toko, and you're watching the Agri-Food Safety Minute, the web series designed to get you one step closer to GAP certification every week. This week we're going to talk a little bit about manure. Of all the produce-related foodborne illness outbreaks that happen in the United States each year, about 45% of them are caused by E. coli. E. coli is naturally found in cattle as well as other ruminants. It's excreted through the manure into our soil. That means that when a produce-related outbreak happens because of E. coli, that there was some breakdown between manure handling and produce handling. Put another way, if an individual gets sick due to E. coli, it's because at some point they ingested fecal material. That's why controlling manure is so important in our farm fields. Not everyone uses manure. However, those that do use manure need to be conscious about the time between application of manure and planting as well as harvesting the produce that they harvest. As a general rule, producers wishing to apply manure in a food-safe manner are required to apply it no later than 2 weeks prior to planting and allow at least 120 days prior to harvest. Despite this recommendation, different auditing agencies have different requirements with regards to manure application. A number of auditing agencies require at least a year between manure application and harvest. It's very important that if you do apply manure that you speak with your auditing agency looking specifically at the audit you're wishing to complete in order to understand the actual rules for manure applications. Some audits also require that you use a calibrated manure spreader and understand the nutrient values of the manure that you're spreading on. Make certain that you understand the rules of the GAP audit that you're trying to complete prior to applying manure. You'll find a guidance document in our show notes that goes over the protocol for manure applications, as well as other helpful information. Thanks for joining us this week. We hope to see you again next week on the Agri-Food Safety Minute.